So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about instruct-pix2pix. First of all, let me tell you, you should have already known about this instruct-pix2pix. Let me tell you, earlier when it was launched on an extension. As you can see over here, it was launched on an extension. As you can see, there's a tab of instruct-pix2pix over here. But yeah, just now it got an updated and now you can use it on like image to image as well. So first of all, let me tell you, in order to use this, you need to download one file, one model. That's instruct-pix2pix file. So in order to use instruct-pix2pix, you need to download the file. As you can see over here, it's a 7.7 GB file. You can download .septences from over here, and after downloading, just paste on to like Stable Diffusion model folder, just as you paste other models as well over here. And after that, in order to use it on like image to image tab, you need to have latest version of Automatic1111 installed on your PC. First of all, let me tell you, in order to get latest version of Automatic1111, you need to add one command on web UI user.pad file. Let me tell you how to add this command. First of all, go into right click on more option and go on to edit. After this, just add get pull command over here. Just add get pull and save it. Just like go on and save it. This will always update your Automatic1111. So you will always have the latest version of Automatic1111 already installed on your PC. So first of all, in order to use this, you need to select instruct-pix2pix model. As you can see over here, you need to select instruct-pix2pix, and then you want to like add your image that you want to edit. As you can see over here, I have already uploaded my image, and then just add the prompt over here. Just like I have already converted into like heavy snowfall. As you can see, convert this image into heavy snowfall. So you can just add something like this, and yeah, you can get images like this. As you can see, the image is pretty much amazing. So this is how you can convert images like this. So now let me tell you how does it work and what you need to select. So there are two important things that you need to first of all focus on. One is CFG scale and one is image CFG scale. So now let me quickly explain you CFG scale and image CFG scale. CFG scale is nothing but it will focus more on your text prompt. As you know already that CFG scale will focus more on text prompt. So that's CFG scale. And what is image CFG scale? Let me explain you. Image CFG scale will focus more on your image, the image you have uploaded, the image that you have edited. As you can already see over here, I have already convert this image into like heavy snowfall, and the image is pretty much amazing. And yeah, almost perfect image as you can see. So let me quickly show you. If I go on to like low, as you can see over here, this result I got on like 14 and 1.65 image CFG scale. So what if I put on like 0? Let's put on 0 and let's try to generate. So now guys, as you can see over here, this is the result that we got on 0 image CFG scale. It literally changed whole of the images. That's why I said earlier that image CFG scale and CFG scale both are very important factor in order to use instruct-pix2pix. Okay, so now let's increase this like to 0.5 and let's see what result do we get. So now guys, as you can see over here, this is the result that we got on like 0.5 image CFG scale. So image CFG scale is very important factor in order to like retain your image. Okay, so this is why this is very important. So what I got earlier was on like 1.65. As I've already showed you on like 1.65, I have got this image. Let's generate once again and let's see what result do we get. So guys, as you can see over here, pretty much amazing result over here once again on like 1.65. So that's why image CFG scale is very important factor in order to retain your image. So that's why image CFG scale is very important factor to like retain your image. So this is the result that we got, and now let's check on to like CFG scale as well. So as I've already showed you that I got like this on like 14 CFG scale as I'm using into heavy snowfall. So what if I decrease this? Let's see, let's decrease this to like 10. We have already got this result on like 14. Now let's decrease this on 10 and let's see what result do we get. So guys, as you can see, this is the result that we got. Still pretty much amazing, but yeah, less snowfall than earlier image. As you see over here on the roadside, it's a less snowfall compared to like earlier image, but still the image is pretty much amazing. Now let's check on to like 7 as well. Let's jump on to like 7 or 6. Let's go on to 6 and let's see what result do we get once again. So here is the third result that we got guys. As you can see over here on like 6 CFG scale, this is the result that we got, almost like no snowfall. The more you go with like CFG scale, the more it will add like what you have already prompted over here. So that's why I said earlier that CFG scale and image CFG scale are very important facts. So you need to mess with like both of these in order to get perfect image on like instruct-pix2pix. So guys, let's check on one more image, and this time we will focus on prompting. Okay, so let's check on one more image. So guys, this time we are using human figure, as you can see over here, and in this image what we will do is that we will convert her hairs, pink hairs, into like violet color. As you can see over here, I've already added prompt convert her hair into violet color, and I am using like CFG scale 14 and 1.65 image CFG scale, same as earlier, as you can see over here. And yes, let's check what result do we get first of all. So guys, this is the image that we got. Pretty amazing image on like hair as well. You can see over here on like this setting, 14 CFG scale and like 1.65 image CFG scale. You can see this is the result that we got, but yeah, it messed up with like lips and like this color as well. You can see over here, definitely like it totally messed up. So now what we will do is that we will try to add negative prompt. As you can see over here, violet lips, I don't want violet lips, and like violet clothes as well. You can see over here. And let's see, this time we should get a perfect image. So let's try to generate. Okay guys, so here you can see this is the result that we got. Pretty amazing result. Yeah, the violet lips and like violet clothes are gone. As you can see over here, this is the almost perfect image, but yes, the violet hairs are like over colored, as you can see over here. So what we will do is that we will try to reduce like CFG scale to like 12 to like, let's try on like 11 first of all. Okay, and let's see what result do we get. Okay, so here is the result that we got. Pretty amazing result as well. This time it's like perfect image, as you can see. First of all, in earlier image it was literally missing on hairs. Okay, so almost you can see this is a perfect image that we got. Similar to this, we can go on like changing the colors as well. Let's go on to red colors and like red clothes and red lips. So let's see what result do we get with this. OMG, see the result that we got. Okay, this is not red, but yeah, the result is pretty much amazing. I can definitely say that. Okay, so yes, the result is pretty much amazing. So that's how you mess with like this instruct-pix2pix, guys. So this was the video that I wanted to make like on instruct-pix2pix, and yeah, you can see the result that we got. So that's why I wanted to make like in detail video over here. And yes, the three things that are very important on like instruct-pix2pix that I've already said you is like CFG scale, image CFG scale, and like prompting. So these are the three very important things that you need to go, and yeah, that's why I made this video in detail so that you can understand how it works. So that's it for today guys, and I hope so you guys you like this video in detail video. And yes, let me show you couple of my experiment that I generated earlier, and yes, I will show you before and after images as well. Okay, so enjoy the images, and yes, that's it for today. I hope so guys you like the video, and yeah, we will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Enjoy the before and after pics of like instruct-pix2pix images. Okay, bye guys, love you all guys, bye guys.